First Lady Margaret Kenyatta akiaria hende ya kuruguria thinema iretwo Ivory Belongs to Elephant Walk augite ati thinema ino ni guteithiriria hari kumenyithia thi yothe fata wa kugitira njogu cia Africa iria ciri ugwati-ini wa kuhuka kumana na ugwimi uria cikureire maitho.
We're all here because we understand the need to keep our wildlife protected. We understand the integral role that wildlife plays in our ecosystems, our economies, our lives.
Oroho First Lady ni agathiriria itemi ria nyamu cia githaka ria kwandandura kigina gia bururi hamwe na kwandika andu aingi mawira na agateterithia fata wa o mundu kunyita itemi hari kugitira uthaka uyu wa bururi.
Our wildlife is the cornerstone of the tourism industry in Kenya. It operates as part of our economy and generates over 10% of the national GDP.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa ceceni imwe ya njogu guku bururi-ini augite ati he fata kunyitanira na aikari niguo kugitira nyamu ici cia githaka.
There needs to be a deliberate move to involve the youth in conservation.
Thinema ino iria ni ndagika 25 ithondeketwo ni murugamiriri munene wa ceceni imwe ya njogu Elephant Neighbors Center uria utwikanitie makiria ma mabururi 8 itanya-ini ria kumenyithia muingi fata wa kugitira njogu cia Africa. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Winnie Kimani.